How to build a commercial building. A step-by-step process. Commercial buildings are significant real estate investments because of their ability to generate income. When it comes to luring clients and making sales of goods and services, the planning and construction of commercial buildings diverge from those of residential structures in a significant way. Types of commercial buildings. Retail stores. It is a place of business where goods and services are sold to the final customer. Mixed-use developments. It is either a neighborhood or a building that consists of residential, commercial, office, retail, and recreational facilities. Shopping malls. It is an indoor shopping center that contains departmental stores, restaurants, and gaming areas. Office buildings. It is a commercial building containing offices of one or more companies. Restaurants. A restaurant is a commercial building that prepares and serves food and drinks for customers. Step-by-step process to build a commercial building. When designing and constructing a commercial building, having prior knowledge of the steps involved in developing a commercial building can help produce a more streamlined process. The step-by-step process that Tejjy Inc. uses to construct commercial buildings can be of assistance to real estate investors in the process of developing assets that can be sold. Step 1. Finding a location. Location is an important aspect for commercial buildings. Land and construction costs vary considerably depending upon the location. The location must be easier to access for customers and employees. A commercial building must be ideally built where all these aspects are met. Step 2. Setting a budget. The budget should be set before the start of designing and construction of the commercial building. The design, material, and fixtures of the commercial building will depend upon the budget allocated. Step 3. Designing. The modern commercial building design is more complex than designing the building for other functions. The design intent of a commercial building doesn't only depend upon the aesthetics and its function. The location, the clients, and their behavior and interests are some of the major factors in modern commercial building design. The design of the commercial buildings depends upon various factors including budget, location, materials and fixtures, orientation of the site, local building codes. Step 4. Getting permits. Building permits should be procured before the construction of commercial buildings. The commercial building permit drawings should be submitted to the government authorities to get authorized if the building is compliant with the local building codes. The building permit drawing contains a site plan, floor plans, sections, elevations, and structural plan. Step 5. Establish a construction team. Hire a team of professional, talented, and experienced team of contractors, project managers, superintendents, and field engineers. A talented construction team is essential for the completion of a commercial building construction project. Step 6. Procurement. The pre-construction stage starts when the project owner notifies the general contractor to proceed with the plan. At this stage, the lists of needed materials will be sent out to vendors and commercial subcontractors for quotes. The materials specified by commercial building architects should be procured before construction by commercial building contractors. Step 7. Construction. The construction stage is the phase when the actual commercial building is getting constructed. Various steps are involved in the construction of commercial buildings, starting from building foundations to adding finishes to the building. The electrical, plumbing, and HVAC services should also be added during the construction stage. Step 8. Post-construction. The legal and safety compliance of the building is verified during the process. A project punch-out is created near the end of construction to identify minor issues such as cracked tiles, and final repairs are made before furnishings and equipments are brought in. Once all requirements have been met, the project architect finally issues a certificate of substantial completion so that the building official can perform a final inspection for approval. What is the cost of commercial building design? The charge that is paid to an architect for their work on a commercial project can range anywhere from 2.5% to 12% of the total project cost, which is equivalent to $8,000 to $3 million. The more complicated the build and the area, the higher the percentage. Conclusion. Construction of a commercial building requires many steps, which should be taken into serious account. Investment for a commercial building should require rigorous feasibility studies before construction. A competent commercial building plan and design and a skilled construction team are essential for the completion of quality construction of commercial buildings on budget and on time. Tejjy Inc. is one of the best modern commercial building design service providers in USA. Investing in a commercial building should be an intelligent decision. We provide appealing commercial building designs which can attract your customers, by keeping your budget in mind. For your best experience in commercial building architecture services in Maryland, Washington, D.C., Virginia, Baltimore, and all across USA, get in touch with us.